maraming berries, so we'll add some coffee. Okay. Just the right amount. Okay. Add some hot water. So we went to Angkong and Dim Sum Tree. So, eto na ang laban ng mortal na labanan. Angkong versus Dim Sum. Matitikman natin mamaya. Actually, natikman ko naman lahat. Pero mamaya, check natin. Face to face talaga. Ngayon, harapan. So, yan, tingnan natin. Here we are. First comment. I don't like the packing. The packing is unfriendly. So perhaps they will have a program that if you can bring your own. So this is just a rice. Wala tayong comment sa rice kasi rice na yan. Pakialam natin. Para naman may rice. And this is, so we have here, tadang! Japanese siomai of dim sum. Ano to? I forgot. Ito yung tayong, oops, this is the angkong. As you can see, may natunaw. Patay! That's not good. That's not healthy. Because yung may natunaw. So it means, this is not a healthy way to pack yung mga fried kasi the plastic will react. So, here is dim sum, Japanese siomai, kalimutan ko ito yung mushroom, quail egg. Of course, yung ito naman yung angkong, may quail egg, may Japanese, and dumplings. Ito yung dumplings na may vegetable, kuchay. Ito yung dumplings nila na fried. And yeah, yung sa dim sum. Okay, yung quail egg ng angkong mas fresh. I'll use yung kanilang ano. Mas fresh yung quail egg. Wow, meat. This is angkong. This is dim sum. Look at the texture of that, no? Parang ito, parang buong may meat. Ito medyo parang may flour or something. Then, with the sauce. Well, I cannot comment on the sauce kasi parang naman sa spicy. Yung spicy kasi parang pinapatay nila yung flavor. Parang siyang, the difference is this is salty, this is a bit sweet. May tamis tong ano nila. Yung dim sum may tamis yung sauce. Yung chili, kalamansi wala kang magagawa, kalamansi pa rin yan. Ay, malasa talaga. Dim sum may taste talaga siya. Pero,
parang hindi yung authentic na...
hindi na siya authentic. Parang pang mass production.
Yung mga nabibili, usually sa restaurant.
Pero masarap.
At mas malaki.
Malaki. Now, we really can see the difference. Okay, and back to angkong. Sorry. Feeling ko masarap to. I would say, mas masarap yung sauce ng dim sum. Yeah, matamis-tamis kasi yung dim sum eh. Mas nila. But look at that. The egg, buong-buo yung egg. Ng angkong. Ng angkong ha. Yung parang deads na dead. Yung parang na siya, yung dim sum, yung egg yung quail egg, parang na siya naging elastic. Makunat. Ito, may texture, may ano pa. Ayan, egg pa rin siya.
Vegetable.
Buo pa rin. Okay. So ma'am, yung sauce, for me, dim sum. Okay, huwag natin isama yung sauce. In terms of quail egg, I would say, angkong! Tara! Angkong ako. Pero gusto ko isaw-saw yung angkong sa sauce ng dim sum.
Factor ba yun?
Mas masarap yung sauce. Pero, yun. Well, actually, angkong, sorry dim sum, I can taste more flour.
Oo, parang siya, yung commonly mong mabibili sa labas ng mga siomai. Yung angkong kasi unang tikim ko talaga, sabi ko, legit na
legit siomai.
Oo, legit siomai ito
Pero pag gusto mo mabusog na mabusog,
yun na sabi ng mga bata, na-analyze na nila yan, sabi nila. Kung gutom ka ma'am, iba pa sa dim sum.
Pero the price is almost the same, di ba?
Kasi,
Etong quail egg nila, tingnan mo yung egg, parang hindi na siya egg. Tingnan mo. Oo. Tingnan mo.
ba't kaya
Pero,
ganyan?
yung may egg ng angkong, nandun sa loob yung egg, buo pa yun. Buo pa siya. Now, let's try Japanese siomai. Fight! So yung colleague ko, si Ma'am, tawagin natin sa pangalang Ma'am. Ang gusto niyang sauce yung angkong.
Because it's not sweet.
Kasi it's not sweet. Ako naman, I have a sweet tooth. I'm a sweet-blooded person, and I'm sure. Sugar makes you happy, but it's not good if it's too much. Addicting yung sugar sa blood natin, sa katawan, sa brain. Okay. Japanese siomai, dim sum. Japanese siomai, angkong. Ito, ay naman. Consistent talaga yung angkong. Halos parang lang yung ano na. Pero, tingnan natin si dim sum. Medyo matigas. Might be a good sign. Oops, tingnan mo. Oo. May na-discover tayo. This is angkong. Look at the crab meat. Or artificial crab meat. I don't know exactly. Maybe crab, maybe not. But look at the crab meat part. Sa angkong, straight from the top to the bottom. Sa dim sum, toink, pakitang ano lang. Oy! Huli kayo. Huli ang dim sum. Tingnan, shreds lang. Sorry kayo. Honest opinion. Hindi po kami naninira. Nag-enjoy ako ng food. So, whoever the company is, I don't know you. This is not paid. We're just eating. That's what you serve us, and we criticize, and we give our comments. So the public can decide for their own. So maybe they should try it on their own, not believe us. Okay. Angkong. Lasang-lasa yung lansa ng crab.
Engi ko siya.
Naman. Okay, dim sum. Parang the same lang. Yung texture ng dim sum. Ganun lang din sa kanina.
Parang same lang din sa siomai.
Pagdating sa Japanese siomai, again, I will go for angkong. Kasi talagang parang quality siya. I mean, laman. So, for Japanese siomai, talo ang dim sum treats. Panalo si angkong. Ayan.
Yung siomai tsaka yung siomai ng angkong.
So, eto ba yun? Eto
Yung pula yung special, tapos i-compare mo sa siomai.
Okay. So now let's compare. Ayun, may coach ako.
May guide.
Nakabidi yan. So now let's compare the special siomai of dim sum and the siomai of angkong. Okay? And then later, yung kanilang dumplings. There are also special kuchay dumplings. I love vegetables. So this is a vegetable dumplings. Healthy but not healthy. Healthy kasi may ano, pero not healthy kasi deep fried. Compared with the dumpling, the fried dumplings of siomai. Parang siomai lang din to, no? Of dim sum. Okay? So, this is the fried dumpling of dim sum and the fried dumpling of angkong. From the looks of it, I think I would like this one. Okay, for the fried dumplings, I would go for dim sum. Panalo sila ngayon, eh! Ito kasi parang look, wala masyadong something sa loob. But the one in dim sum has some carrots, may lambot sa loob, syempre crispy yung outside. Both of them crispy on the outside, but soft and chewy in the inside. But, for me, dim sum has some vegetables, some texture in it. Ang meron lang ako natikman, merong taba. Ayoko ng taba. But, even if there's taba in dim sum, prefer ko pa rin siya. In terms of in terms of the fried dumpling. But it's almost close fight. And at medyo pang maliit yung yung angkong. Hindi, halos pareho lang. Halos pareho lang. So again, nanalo na si dim sum pagdating sa fried dumplings. Go ahead, ma'am. Kuha lang. Tanong ito. So ma'am.
Code name ko na ako sa vlog niya, ma'am.
Ma'am, so what's your rating on... Wow!
Alam ko, tatlo lang tayo. So,
Wow! We have a special fruit ice cream! Ice cream! Salamat po, may ice cream!
Hindi ko alam na nandito sila eh.
Ice cream! Okay, let's now rate. So wait lang, kanina, yung Japanese... Angkong. Yung quail egg, angkong. Yung fried dumplings, dim sum, but close fight. Almost no significant difference. Overall rating, ma'am.
Sa angkong, 9. Kasi ako bigyan ng 10. Kasi teacher ako.
Teacher.
Teacher. Sa ano?
Ano ko alam?
Sa dim sum. 7.
7.
Para malayo.
Oo, ang layo. Okay, ako naman. Angkong
Hindi bali.
8, kasi mataas.
Kasi mataas tanda.
Dim sum,
Sige. Oh.
7. I would agree. 7 for dim sum. Mas mababa yung dim sum. If I am a teacher, I am a teacher. I am a prof. Siya for angkong.
Nakalimutan.
Pero pag estudyante ako, I think, kung estudyante ako, natikman ko to, I would go for dim sum.
Yan, estudyante ka rin daw.
Estudyante ng law. Pero teacher na ako. Marami na akong natikman sa iba-ibang bansa, di ba? Karating na tayo ng Vietnam, ng Cambodia, ng Taiwan, and Hong Kong. So, medyo ano na tayo. Nakatikim na ng tunay na mga authentic na mga dumpling o siomai. And of course, available in the Philippines as well. So, if I'm a student, dami ko sinabi, I would choose dim sum. I would rate dim sum like 9 or gano'n. So, I would recommend it to the students. Both. If you want more, madami, quantity, dim sum. If you want quality in terms of ingredients and meat, you go for angkong. Both of them, I would say, sulit. Nakakabusog talaga to, di ba?
For the price.
For the price. Pwede na. Enjoy, guys. I think that's it. So, overall, panalo si kayo, ma'am.
Angkong.
Angkong. For me, angkong. As a prof, angkong. As a student, dim sum. Maraming magagalit na student. Another comment pala. For me, para sa akin ito, yung dim sum nakakasawa. Nakakasawa at some point. Pero yung angkong, parang minsan,
Parang meron na kasi
gusto mo pa. Pero kasi,
Chinese flavor.
yung angkong kasi, parang konti lang yung sir, mas konti, di ba? Hindi so madami. Baka ganun, or talagang bitin talaga.
Kailangan nila yung size.
Masarap daw ang kuchay. Which is fried dumplings with vegetable. Also, I recommend that as well. So ayan, halos matatapos na. As you can see, we invited 3 other co-prof. Angkong, mabenta, 2 na lang. Dim sum, ay, meron pang 6. So hindi mabenta si ano. Yun yung sinasabi ko na bilis siyang nakakasawa. Eto, hanapin mo. Kakanta na ba tayo, ma'am? Balutin mo ako. Hindi, wala. So busog na kami. At mababa ng aming brain activity because all the bodily activities are busy in our digestion. Okay, so just a comment on the packaging, the environmental corporate social responsibility that they should consider. Both of them uses styrofoam, which is of course not healthy for the environment. And look, angkong dahil sa fried natunaw. So it's not only unhealthy for the environment but also might be not healthy for us because makahumalo na, nag-react na yung plastic doon sa fried with the oil sa fried dumplings nila. So medyo not good. So both of them maybe they should consider like using a paper or maybe encourage the customers to bring their own like container or packaging, diba? Right? That makes sense with regards to packaging. Because we have to minimize our styrofoam and plastic consumption. Yes, you can take some, yeah. So, yeah, I think that's also something to consider for these companies. For dim sum and angkong, maybe corporate social responsibility with regards to lessening the impact to climate change and to plastic pollution. So, of course, I don't know if this will be recycled or not. Single-use to a disposable. Okay? Thank you nga pala kay Ma'am Ann for this special ice cream. Thank you, Ma'am. So, here's the ice cream.
Huh? Why pa yung ganon?
Kinis.
Kaya mo yun?
I love ice cream. Ayun. Thank you, Ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am. Ang sarap, ang tamis. I can feel the love. Uwian na yung mga estudyante. And that's it for our food vlog for today. I hope we can help you choose. Bye-bye. Good night.